This natural recipe will make your facial hair disappear forever. Women in East Asia have always been admired for their compelling skin and hair, no matter their age. However, to achieve that, they have secrets not many women from around the world know of. If you are a woman that hates facial hair, this is your lucky day because you are going to learn about an effective way to remove them. As you can see, waxing the hair over your lips or buying expensive removals from the store is not the only, nor the best solution. The mixture from this recipe calms the skin and keeps it shiny and healthy. The ingredients contain vitamins, minerals, and agents that can prevent cancer. We often don't pay attention to what we apply on our skin, but we have to since it is the largest organ that needs to be taken care of. You will need these ingredients: 1 tablespoon of oatmeal paste. Prepare it by mixing half a teaspoon of oatmeal, 6 to 8 drops of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of honey. 2 tablespoons of honey. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Instructions: mix all the ingredients and apply the mixture on the spot where you want to remove hair. Let the mixture stay for 15 minutes. Then, rinse your face with lukewarm water and apply face cream afterwards. Perform this method 2 to 3 times a week, and a month later your unwanted hair will be done.